also a little voiceover. I got really nervous at this point, but what I was trying to say is, a welcome,
Oh,
a
yes, yes.
salute or something like that. And also, I was trying to say
Hello,
that
ladies and
I
gentlemen.
wanted to prove that
I'm
Quake Arena,
doing fine.
it's still in
Uh,
2020 or it's still in 2023 in this
uh,
case, it's still alive and kicking.
let's see if there's any
Was
people
that
playing
was I was
HDR
trying to
right
say
now.
all the time.
It's a very old thing
So I
from the
was
90s.
I hope you like the video.
And I hope you like this fucking video. The, you know, the 90s vibe on it. So we have a couple servers here. Right now it's not the best time to see if there's any people playing right now. So I think I'm gonna redo the video right now. Let's see Quake 3 Retro Free for All. There's always people. Let's see if there's any people there. So we can play right now. So we have people here, but there are bots. It's just the sad reality of this fucking game. It's completely with bots. Let's see if I can manage to kill someone because I have a lot of ping. Let me say one thing because virtual games. So you have to hit something, all the ping. It's very happy. Another thing. No changing. That's the time. So there's people playing, at this time. Like it's crazy. Let's be out of those, people. They are our bots. The real people are people. I don't think this one is actually real people. I don't know really if this is actually. This girl is gonna is now Dr. Mega. I can't complain very much. No, so yeah, the other dude Yes, he's a real people too. He's not a bot. He's not moved like a bot. Fuck. Fuck. Just one more fuck. There you go. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to another game. Okay. Well, that's one of the servers that have people. You have a couple of servers to play. There are servers for every region, from Latin America to Europe. I don't see any Asia server, but I guess you will get better of look if you try to play Quake Live if you are in Asia. Okay. So the Quake 3 retro servers are actually from America, and plenty of people play on nights, on Fridays, on Sundays, on weekends. Okay, you will always get with people, right? The ones we're actually playing, and the other server that has a lot of players anytime, real players, no bots, are this one that, let's see, it has a really strange name. Yeah, this is the ones. FPS Classico is the other servers that always have people on it. I will try to enter a game in it. But these servers are from Germany, so they have, it's so strange because all of these people are actually people playing the game. Real people, because this server has no bots, there is no idle bots. So I am playing right now. It's very hard to play with 200 of ping, but I will try to do my best here. So let's see, where is the this another server, this fucking map sucks ass. But still, great to see that there are still people. So if you are from Germany, well, you are in luck, because this actually is the most popular Quake server right now. Plenty of people play the server. It's a free stack server, so it's always popular. Holy shit, I get that. Wow. It was out of luck. So this is actually the most popular, game mode of Quake Arena. More than CDF, more than Team Deathmatch, free stack. You know, there's plenty of servers playing this mode all day long. Um, I remember a server called Chrome CDF. Wow, there's plenty of people there. What the fuck? Let's see if I can. Well, I was all look. He kills himself. Lol. Lol. GG. Wins. So yeah. Plenty of people playing outside the server, which is amazing. It was so very nice. So yeah, this is actually Quake Arena. Plenty of people playing all day. As you can see, game still have some life on it. If you try the game on business day, you will get this, very bad experience that every server is just bots. So you have to play on weekends, and if you want to play every single day, you know, get to the Germany server. It's called Unfreeze FPS Classico, I guess this is the name of the server, and that server is always full with people, always. You will always get people playing on that server. It's free stack, so if you don't like free stack, if you like free for all, so I guess should try you should try your luck. Sorry, you should try your luck into Quake 3 Retro. This is the another popular servers that have servers for free for all, CTF, did not that much, a lot of game mods, but the most popular are free for all.